I am Sugirtham. I am posting a videos on the course Cybersecurity. Module 1 is Introduction to Cybersecurity. So, what basically is cybersecurity? Cybersecurity means protecting information, equipment or devices, computer or computer resource, communication devices, and information stored therein from unauthorized access, disclosure, modification, or disruption on these content. So the term includes both physical security of the device as well as the information stored therein. So what is the need for cybersecurity? So the rapid exploitation of information and communication technology has transformed every aspect of modern life. So we as individuals started using computers, smartphones, cloud computing, and internet resources for instant communication, online banking, healthcare applications, education, and entertainment applications. So this rapid growth of use of digital resources has triggered the need for security because there are very high chances that unauthorized users try to access this information, the data or the credentials that is stored online. So this technological development has improved the efficiency and convenience of usage of resources, but at the same time, security risks such as cybercrime, identity theft, hacking, ransomware, cyber terrorism, phishing, and ransomware attacks are highly available nowadays. So there is a need for cybersecurity. So what basically is cybersecurity is the discipline concerned with protecting computer systems, networks and its applications and digital information from the access of unauthorized users. The unauthorized users may modify the content or destroy the information whatever is available. So the prime objective of cybersecurity is to safeguard the information which are of great asset. Then to ensure secured communication in the data exchange and to prevent cyber attacks, at the same time maintaining business continuity and safeguarding national critical infrastructure. So these are the prime objectives of cybersecurity. So before dwelling deep into what are all the components involved, let us know what basically a cyberspace will look like. So unlike the physical space what we come across, the cyberspace is a virtual environment created by interconnected computers, communication networks, software applications, cloud platforms, digital devices, and beyond everything, we will need internet services to carry out exchange of information. So where all this electronic communication and information exchange occurs. So there is no physical space or there is no defined geometric or geographical boundaries defined for a cyberspace. So it means that people across the globe can communicate in this cyberspace. So they can transact information, they can collaborate, they can access the secured information that is available online. So there are few hardware and software components involved in the cyberspace. When we talk on the components, basically the hardwares, we will talk on the computers, the IoT devices, the data centers which are connected, helps in storage of information, computer networks, internet, mobile networks, and other software applications. So all putting together, we will be able to interact on the cyberspace. So apart from that, what basically is the web, what the internet does. The web allows instant global publication of information at a very low cost, and the information which would be normally be revealed before someone else could see, or like it can be easily accessible across the globe. Anyone who wants to access common content which is available on internet, that can be done. So the applications that helps in these data exchanges always looks for security. So when we talk on security, we will be discussing on the confidentiality that is possible for a content available, the authentication, how authentic a person accessing a particular information, followed by the integrity of the message. So confidentiality, authentication, integrity, along with the availability of the content is much more essential. So in order to safeguard all these resources, we use firewalls and antivirus. So what are all the basic characteristics that your cyber security can offer, cyberspace can offer? It is beyond boundaries, though we don't have any geographic boundaries. So across the globe, anyone can access sitting anywhere across the globe. Highly interconnected and dynamic. Why we call it as interconnected is like we can speak to anyone across the globe. So that space is going to be open and dynamic. Anywhere you can sit and you can access at any time. Real-time communication is possible. All video calls, audio calls, everything can happen on real time, and it supports digital economy. Most of the transactions that we make are all on digital platforms. So this gives us a larger space for communication. So as I told you, the hardware and software components that are involved, the physical components including CPU, memory, hard disk, keyboard, monitor and network interface card falls under the hardware devices or hardware components. When we touch upon the software, it is all the programs that control the computer applications or operations. So this includes the operating system and application software, utility programs and database softwares that helps in carrying out these activities. So overview of computers and web technology. So web technology enables users to access information over internet, and that can be carried out only with the help of browsers. There are a lot number of browsers available, web browsers like Firefox, your Google Chrome. So with these browsers we can access web pages. So web pages contain lot number of information which basically available in the web server. So web protocols helps in fetching these information from the web servers on the web page. So web protocol basically is hypertext transfer protocol, HTTPS, security based HTTPS protocol. FTP is file transfer protocol, SMTP, simple mail transfer protocol, DNS, domain name system. This helps in the conversion of the web addresses to IP addresses, and TCP bar IP is a transmission control protocol, an internet protocol which operates in the third layer of the OSI model, that is the network layer. So security concerns in web technology includes SQL injection, cross-site scripting, session hijacking, and cookie theft. These are very few examples posted. There are a lot many other security concern in web technology. So I am wrapping up this video with this content. We'll continue in the subsequent video. Thank you.